Hi everyone, Glamma here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glamma. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, so today I wanted to show you something that I recently purchased, something I've been wanting to purchase for a couple of years now, but just never really got around to doing it. For one thing, I think it's a little expensive, but I thought, you know what? It's time to try it. So I want to show you what I bought. It's by Rock. It's a deep wrinkle repair kit, and it has an eye cream and a night cream, and so I'm going to be trying this soon. So yeah, and it has retinol, and it says it's #1 dermatologist recommended for age fighting. So I don't know, we'll see. I've heard really good things about this product, so I want to try it finally for myself. And this is what comes inside. You get the deep wrinkle night cream, okay, and then you get the retinol correction eye cream. And so for those of y'all that have been wanting to try it but not wanting to spend the money because you don't know if it'll work, I'm going to test it out for you. And so at my Walmart in Texas here, it cost $27.90 something, so almost 30 bucks. So that's why I didn't want to spend the money, because I thought, what if it doesn't work? But anyway, I'm going to probably film myself maybe tonight or tomorrow night using it for the first time. I'll put the eye cream on and then the night cream on, and you're supposed to be able to see results, I believe, within, it says results after 12 weeks of clinical testing. It says after 4 weeks, skin is more radiant and crow's feet are visibly reduced, and also signs of photo damage are diminished. So that's after 4 weeks. After 8 weeks, it says that your under eye wrinkles are smoothed, and also that the expression lines are visibly reduced. So that's kind of cool. I'll show you what my concerns are on my face. Oh, hey, there's a hashtag. She came to join us. I'll show you what my concerns are on my face, and I'm going to point out some wrinkles so that we can do maybe some photos the day that I try it for the first time, and then maybe after 4 weeks, and then maybe after 8 weeks, and then after 12 weeks. It says after 12 weeks that the results should be deep wrinkles and fine lines appear visibly reduced. Okay, so I'm hoping that that's what will happen. But let me show you a few of my concerns first. I'll try to get really close, wait for it to focus. So do you see that deep line right there? Yeah, that one right there. And I've got some lines right there that I'm hoping will be reduced, as well as, let me see, these right here, my crow's feet. I'm hoping those will be reduced. Oh, and also I'm hoping that my neck will be more tightened, because I notice that there's like skin that's starting to feel really thin and loose there. And so yeah, I'm hoping to just appear younger. I'm 51 years old, but I want to look as young as I feel, I guess I should say. So yeah, this is the product that I bought, and at my Hondo, Texas Walmart, it was 27 something. So, alright guys, I'll do this video and I'll upload it, but then I'm going to make a separate one, and I'll upload a picture of what I look like without my makeup, and show you all the little fine lines on my face. And then we'll take another picture at 4 weeks, and then another one at 8 weeks, and then another one at 12 weeks, and hopefully there will be some results. So this is going to be kind of a long process. Maybe I'll make a video at 4 weeks, and then at 8 weeks, and then at 12 weeks. That way you don't have to wait the full 12 weeks to see if there's any kind of results. Alrighty guys, I love you so much. Alright, love ya, bye!